All wires of the robot are disconnected when we receive it. This is for the safety during transportation, and the connection between the module and the robot is disconnected. I'll show you how to connect all the wires to corresponding ports. As the robot incorporates numerous modules, please refer to the video instructions to connect the wires to their respective ports for a tidy wiring setup. Let me introduce these interfaces one by one. First interface is for the following USB hub. The second interface is connected to the depth camera. The third interface is the communication port of the STM32 and Just Nano. The fourth interface is the power supply of the LCD screen. This HDMI interface is also connected to the LCD screen. This is the power supply port for STM32 controller and Just Nano board. Let's take a look at the USB hub. The first interface is connected to the LiDAR. The second interface is connected to the speaker, and the third interface is an expansion port that is currently unused. The last one is connected to the microphone area. After knowing the functions of these ports, let's start wiring. When connecting, we can gently separate the wires to double-check whether it is correctly connected to the corresponding port. These two remaining ports will be connected to their respective modules in the next video. Okay, that's all for the wiring instructions.